This is a detailed video on how to make money with the skills you have and how to serve others by growing and scaling your business to unbelievable heights. In this video, we will be using a whiteboard to outline a detailed strategy that will help you achieve financial success. First, let's talk about the skills you already possess. Whether it's graphic design, coding, writing, or any other talent, these skills can be monetized. The key is to identify the market demand for your skills and find ways to offer your services or products to meet that demand. Next, we will discuss the importance of building a strong personal brand. Your personal brand is what sets you apart from others in your field. It's how you showcase your expertise and establish yourself as a trusted authority. By investing time and effort into building your personal brand, you can attract more clients and opportunities. Once you have established your personal brand, it's time to start marketing yourself. This involves creating a compelling online presence through social media, a professional website, and other marketing channels. By showcasing your work, sharing valuable content, and engaging with your target audience, you can attract potential clients and build a strong network. In addition to marketing yourself, it's crucial to continuously improve your skills. The world is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your industry is essential. By investing in your own growth and development, you can offer even more value to your clients and stay ahead of the competition. Now, let's talk about inviting others to grow and scale. As you become successful in your own endeavors, it's important to share your knowledge and experiences with others. This can be done through mentoring, coaching, or even creating online courses. By helping others succeed, you not only contribute to their growth, but also build a strong network of like-minded individuals. Finally, we will discuss the importance of scalability. Scaling your business means finding ways to increase your revenue and reach a wider audience without sacrificing quality. This can be achieved through automation, outsourcing, or creating passive income streams. By scaling your business, you can achieve financial freedom and create a sustainable income for yourself. In conclusion, making money with the skills you have and inviting others to grow and scale requires a strategic approach. By identifying your skills, building a strong personal brand, marketing yourself effectively, continuously improving your skills, inviting others to grow, and scaling your business, you can achieve financial success and create a fulfilling career. So let's get started on your journey to financial freedom.